I have been thinking about a little bit about conferences. And conferences is something which is really good to do because you meet people and get opportunities from people you have not met before. So it's a good starting point if you don't have your built up network. But if you do have a little bit of network and doing some clever planning, then you can actually get more opportunities by workshops. Conferences, they are large, usually. Some are really large, too large, so it's actually not so useful to be there. And some other ones have 200 participants or so. But then you present and discuss and meet some new people, but it's a little bit random. And if you find someone, maybe they get lost and then they go to the hotel or so on. But if you actually make a strategic decision about the topic, your topic, then a workshop is much more useful because then you're a smaller group, 20 persons, maybe even 10, 40, not more than 50 for sure. And then you meet lunch to lunch or lunch to lunch to lunch, depending on the size. And then you discuss the things. And the good thing about workshop is that you discuss much more in your particular topic, in fields which you have identified. And if you're smart, you invite people who are contributing to make a value chain, because that will be the first part of a consortium. And consortium can apply for projects. An easy way to get started on this is to do online workshops. And this is why I'm so active with online workshops. I build consortium in various topics. It doesn't need to be my topic because I support other people to build platforms and networks in their topics. And especially young people. I want to support the young people who are doing the big contribution to the year 2050 when I'm very retired. So online workshops, you can invite people, don't have too long presentations. Allow time for discussion, because in that interaction you will identify new partners for your consortium and towards proposals. So I favor workshops over conferences, and doing this is not so difficult nowadays. You just need to moderate and keep the flow and allow people to interact.